I will show you when I press the number, what will speak in the system. I will press the number 1 and call.
Number 1, please go to 12 to take the meeting.
Press 2.
Number 2, please go to 12 to take the meeting.
This is the window number, and this is the number for the customer.
Number 999, please go to 12 to take the meeting.
We can set these words by yourself. And the display time, you can also set it on the base setting. And press the number.
Number 13, please go to 12 to take the meeting. Number 6, please go to 12 to take the meeting. Number 888, please go to 12 to take the meeting. Number 6, please go to 12 to take the meeting. Number 7, please go to 12 to take the meeting.
When you press the number 0, there are no action.
Number 2, please go to 12 to take the meeting.
The number is from 1 to 999. So you can choose the number by yourself. Okay, so if you still have any questions or confusion, please feel free to email us at support@radikis.com or visit our website directly, www.radikis.com. See you next time. Bye.